Looking to create a charming inverted box pleat for your next project? You've arrived at the perfect tutorial. An inverted box pleat has two equal fabric folds meeting at the center front to form the pleat. The pleat will be marked with 3 evenly spaced notches. A wider distance between these notches will result in a larger pleat. Begin by pinching the outer notches right sides together, ensuring the middle notch aligns with the fold. Once you are happy, pin in place. In the next step, we'll stitch along the paired outer notches forming our pleat. Your pleat's length will vary based on your garment's design. For those new to sewing, it's a good idea to pre-mark the sewing line for clarity before machine stitching. Be sure to use an iron-off pen. Our fave is the friction pen. Here we have marked a 3 cm or 1.18 inch line. At your machine, reduce the stitch length to 1.9. Next, start stitching up from the raw edge following the guide. Once you reach the end, backstitch to the beginning to strengthen the pleat seam. After sewing, keep the seams folded and lightly press them. Next, lay the fabric wrong side up on your workspace with the pleats facing upwards. Then we want to flatten the pleats against the fabric. A small tool, perhaps embroidery scissors, will be helpful here. Place the scissors inside the pleat, first using your finger to flatten it and then pressing in place with your iron. Once you flip the fabric right side up, it will reveal your charming pleat. When working on a pattern piece, like a sleeve, where the pleat blends into the fabric, don't press the fold uniformly. Instead, when pressing, allow the pleat to smoothly transition into the fabric. And now you're all set to add gorgeous pleats to any garment. If you love sewing, we've got something to help you plan out your creations. Our awesome and awesomely free PDF sewing planner. Jot down your measurements, hack plans, and supplies for every project and add your fabric swatches and garment sketches. Use one of our 4 croquis models or sketch on the blank planner pages. It also includes a collection planner for organizing swatches and styling ideas for mini wardrobe collections and a 12-month sewing calendar. Get all your measurements sorted with our journal and step-by-step video tutorial, which walks you through how to take each measurement. Download your planner for free at madelabel.co/planner so you can get creative and plan out the wardrobe of your dreams.